When you open up the accessories boxes of the NVR, you will see the following items. You will see a remote control to operate the functions of the NVR, a Cat5 cable that connects the NVR to the network, a power cable, a quick guide manual to show the operations of the NVR, a CD that includes software such as Config Tool and Smart PSS, 2 SATA cables for 2 hard drives to connect to the motherboard, green connectors for the alarm inputs in the back of the NVR, additional screws to screw on the hard drives to the NVR case, power cables to supply power to the hard drives, and also a mouse to operate the functions of the NVR. On the front panel of the NVR, you will see the following. You will see a USB port that you can attach either a mouse or a USB drive for a backup. You will see indicator lights for the different channels and also for the status of the hard drive and also for the network. You will also see fast forward, rewind, and play buttons and pause buttons when you're navigating through the video for the NVR. You will also see up and down, left and right arrows to navigate through the menu settings of the NVR, an enter button to select the options, escape buttons to escape the menu to a previous menu, shift for holding down the keys to either go between capital letters or lowercase letters, and also record for manual recording. On the back of the NVR, you will see the following features. You will see a power connector to supply power to the NVR, an on and off switch. You will see the PoE ports of the NVR to connect SavvyTech cameras that supplies power to the cameras directly, which makes it plug and play. You will see an Ethernet port to connect a network cable from the NVR to a router or switch, an HDMI connector for high definition monitor, a USB drive to connect either a mouse or a USB thumb drive for backup, a VGA port for a VGA PC monitor resolution, an RS-232 port for SavvyTech engineers to use a specialized cable to troubleshoot the NVR, 2 RCA female inputs for two-way talking, one for audio in for a microphone and one for audio out for a speaker, and you will see the green alarm input and output connectors here. Additional features of the NVR include H.265 compression to store more hard drive storage space, and also additional features such as IVS, which includes tripwire, intrusion, abandoned and missing object, scene change, face detection, and P2P, which means that you can get your NVR online by scanning a QR code without having to do port forwarding. Thanks for watching.